Chicken is the ultimate daily protein, yet you are constantly turning it into dry, chalky cardboard that requires a gallon of water to swallow. From the rubber skin disaster to the salmonella paranoia, we are exposing the 8 poultry hacks you are completely ignoring. Welcome to Poultry Mastery. Here is the exact physical blueprint to achieve crispy skin and incredibly juicy, perfectly safe meat every single time. Hack number 1, the steam trap. Moisture is the enemy of a golden sear. If your chicken goes into the pan wet, you are boiling it. You must extract the surface water. Pat the meat completely dry with paper towels before it ever gets near the heat source. A dry surface guarantees immediate contact with the hot oil, triggering the Maillard reaction and building a flawless, massive flavor crust. Hack number 2, the salmonella paranoia. You are terrified of undercooking, so you nuke the meat to 180 degrees until it becomes chalk. Stop flying blind. Use an instant read thermometer and pull the chicken exactly at 155 degrees. Carryover heat is real. The internal temperature will safely coast to 165 degrees while it rests, leaving the meat incredibly juicy.
Hack number 3, the gray boil. When you jam 6 chicken breasts into one pan, the temperature plummets and the meat releases all its water.
You are crowding the pan and boiling the meat in its own juices. Give the protein space to breathe, or cook it in batches. Heat needs room to circulate. Proper spacing evaporates the moisture instantly, guaranteeing a golden sear instead of a depressing gray boil.
Hack number 4, the flavorless core. You sprinkle salt on the chicken 3 seconds before it hits the pan, meaning the inside tastes like absolutely nothing.
You must dry brine. Heavily salt the meat and leave it uncovered in the fridge for at least 4 hours or overnight. The salt dissolves and penetrates deep into the muscle fibers. It flavors the chicken all the way through and locks in the natural moisture. Hack number 5, the rubber skin. You want crispy skin, but you put a lid on the pan to speed up the cooking, completely ruining the texture. You must cook it skin side down, uncovered, with a heavy weight on top. Steam is the enemy of crispiness. Let the moisture escape. The fat needs time to render out slowly into the open air. This transforms pale, rubbery fat into a flawless, shattering glass crust. Hack number 6, the fridge shock. You are pulling ice-cold poultry straight from the refrigerator and dropping it immediately into a hot pan. You are shocking the muscle fibers, causing them to instantly violently contract and squeeze out all their moisture. Temper your meat for 30 minutes first.
Taking the chill off allows the heat to penetrate evenly and gently, keeping the protein structure relaxed and maximizing juice retention.
Hack number 7, the juice bleed. You are so impatient that you slice into the chicken the second it comes off the heat. You must let the poultry rest for at least 8 minutes. The intense heat of the pan forces all the internal water to the center of the breast. Resting allows the muscle fibers to relax and the juices to redistribute evenly. If you cut early, you just made dry cardboard.
Hack number 8, the dry plate. All that beautiful brown caramelization stuck to the bottom of your pan is pure roasted flavor, and you are washing it away.
You must build a pan sauce. Deglaze the skillet with stock or wine, scraping up all that concentrated chicken umami from the bottom. Reduce it down, finish it with a pad of cold butter, and pour that liquid gold over your perfectly cooked meat to elevate the entire dish. A perfect chicken dinner isn't an accident. It is about moisture control, proper resting, and absolute temperature precision. Banish the cardboard breast. Stop boiling your meat in a crowded pan. Master the dry brine, control the variables, and start cooking like a professional. Fix your sear. Hit subscribe, study the techniques, and stop ruining your dinner.